friends. Today we're going to play the game What's in the Box. So, are you ready to play? All right. Here we go. I have my trusty box. I know y'all saw a little bit, just a peek. But now I'm going to open a box and you're going to tell me what it is you see. So, are you ready? My fake drum roll. Here we go. And we have a football. All right. And we have a baseball. Very good. And we have a basketball. All right. And we have a tennis ball. Yes. Press. And we have a soccer ball. All right. And last but not least, we have a beach ball. All right. So now we're going to go over these balls. We're going to go over their names and we're going to concentrate. That means we're going to focus on the beginning sound of the beginning sound of each ball. Okay? All right. So let me turn around over here, and I think I'm going to have to move you, if you don't mind. Just going to move over. See, that was easy. Wasn't nothing hard about that. Okay, just want to make sure we can see everything. All right, can we see everything? Here we go. I don't hear about me being in shot because you get to see me all the time, but not as much as we used to. All right, our first picture here is a football. And what's the beginning sound of the word football? Right, F. So we have a football. And this is a baseball. What's the beginning sound of the word baseball? Right, B. And remember, these words are what kind of words? You guys remember? Think about it. What kind of words are these words that we talked about? Compound words. That's when you put two words together. So you have foot, and ball, and you put them together. Football. Compound words. So what's this a picture of? Basketball. And what's the beginning sound of the word basketball? Correct. The letter B. B-A-S-K. And you might not be able to see this one very well, but is this ball, and what is it? Correct, a tennis ball. I gave you the answer. So what's this letter? T. And what sound does T make? T. Good job. And what is this? Right. It is a soccer ball. And what's the beginning sound of the word soccer? Soccer ball. S, like with Sophia. All right, and we have one more. This is a beach ball. And I'm going to have to write this in two parts because my area to write is very small. When I made this, I didn't think about the space, but no, it's okay. I just wanted you guys to get a visual. I wanted you to see it, okay? So this is isn't this one cute? A beach ball. And beach ball, the first letter of B, that beginning sound is the letter B. Good job. And B makes the sound good. Beach ball. And I'm going to write ball under here because I don't have enough room. So we have football, baseball, basketball, tennis ball, soccer ball, beach ball. Good job. All right, friends, we're going to read a book. This is called, the title of the story is The Story of Red Rubber Ball, and it's written by Constance Levy and illustrated by Hiro Nakata. Okay. Red Rubber Ball sat all alone. Caterpillar crawled by it, pulling himself. Spider tried it and decided it was the wrong size. Bumblebee buzzed it. Ant missed it by a millimeter. Woodpecker pecked at it, poked it, pecked it, and poked it all up. Hungry Squirrel thought, here's a nut, then found that it was not. A passing cat meant to come by and then forgot. Old sleepy snake curled round and round for a cozy cat nap. Zip! With one giant jump, Grasshopper leaped over it. Sprinkler splashed it. Sunshine dried it. feet dashed by it, but no one spied it. What does spy mean? No one spied it. They didn't see it. Rubber ball sat all alone. Until a Labrador retriever lopping along stopped and looked. Liked it, tucked it into his tight white teeth, and took it home to keep. The end. I hope you guys like this story. And remember, when we call, we can talk about all the things that we read. Bye.